Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you simple and effective way to fix screen recording issues on iOS 26. If screen recording won't stop suddenly, or doesn't save properly, follow the steps. First, open the setting app, tap on Control Center, scroll down and make sure screen recording is added. If not, tap the plus icon next to the it. Now swipe up and swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center and check it again. Open Control Center, tap the screen recording button once, wait for 3 seconds, count down and start recording. To stop recording, tap the red bar at the top of your screen, then tap stop. Your recording will be saved automatically in your Photos app. If your screen recording has no sound, press and hold the screen recording button in the Control Center. Turn on microphone, then start recording again. This allows voice or app audio to be recorded. Press and hold the side button and the volume button together. Slide to power off, wait for 30 seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. This fixes temporary system glitches. If screen recording still doesn't work, go back to settings, tap on general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset, then choose reset all settings. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.